Hey everyone, so if you follow Flux Academy, you know that they did a challenge 2 weeks back. They gave web designers a guideline to follow, and in which they were supposed to design a website for, I think, for a green leaf cafe, and also add some sections onto it. So this is the design that was done by the winner of this challenge. His name is Tom Pickett. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to try and redesign this website. As you can tell from the link, I'm not sure if you see it. It's Greenleaf Tonic. So Tonic is Tom Pickett's website design company. So I'm actually going to redesign this website and also try to do it in the time frame that they also did. Was in the video presentation he mentioned that he did this video in 48 hours, so I'm also going to try and do that on my redesign as well. So yeah, stay tuned. So right now I'm just going to switch to sort of like to my framer because I'm using framer to redesign the site. So I'm going to switch to my framer and then we go on from there. All right, cheers.
Hey everyone. Okay, so now I've just moved to my PC and we're going to continue with the build. Okay, so I'm just going to build the events section. So hopefully I'm going to manage to finish this project within these 2 days, because that's the time that I've actually given myself to finish this project. And some might say only the result matters. Yeah, I understand that part. But the reason why I'm actually doing this is I just want to have a feel of how it feels like to develop something with a tight deadline and you actually have to deliver it. So I've given myself 2 days to finish this project. So yeah, hopefully I'm actually able to finish this. Okay, so let's build this event section. So all the other sections above, I managed to work on them like last night. Okay, so today we around 7 that will be marking the first day to finish this project. So yeah, I'm actually taking myself in 24 hours literally. Okay, so I'm actually using this Chrome extension called CSS Pupa, like to find these values of the sizes of titles, paragraphs, buttons, the font sizes, and all. And I also went on to download the typeface used in the project, which is Jellica. I'm not sure if that is how you pronounce it, but yeah. Okay, so I just had to ask, For the other guys who also watched like the challenge, did you feel like Tom deserved to win? Because myself, I did feel like his design was cool, simple, minimalistic, and also to the point. And I'm not saying the other guys like messed up in all, but I'm just saying like I resonated more with Tom's design. And for those of you maybe who probably think otherwise, maybe you can just leave a comment below. Then we'll discuss it with the other guys who are actually going to also watch this video. And there are quite some interesting like animations and also transitions that are going on, but they are subtle. Like for someone who's actually doesn't have that eye to detail, they won't actually notice them. And I hope I'm going to be able to replicate them as well. Okay, so the left pen is done. Now we move on to onto the right pen of the event section. Okay, let's just start by creating the first card, and then we can create a component and then just replicate those ones. And I also don't know what's actually revealing one. Like, if I try to put like the number four, gives me this character. So if anyone knows how best I can resolve this, please give me a suggestion. I really need your help on this one because I'm still trying to figure out, and it's proving to be a challenge. Delete this first one. Okay, let's put the background color. Okay. Let's do that. And, give it a border radius. It looks like all the characters that I'm trying to put, they are not working. Okay, even the brackets here. And I'm not sure if it's if it's the typeface that I downloaded, or maybe it's where I got it from because I downloaded it on default. So I'm not sure if that is the issue or there's something that you actually have to do. That's side, buddy. Okay, there's a background color in there. Okay, so let's switch these. Okay, the only thing that is left is to add a border on this one. Okay, yeah, I think we're done with that. So now we just need to duplicate these. Right. Okay, I think I'm going to create a component here. This will be the component. Let's add this. As variables, so yes, date, we need to edit as a variable plain text. Say date. Create variable date. Let's get the month. Then event title. The event description. There's a description here. Okay. So let's move back. Duplicate this components. Move it down. Get another one. Okay, so let's edit the component. Today is Sunday, 12th November 24. The event is speed dating. Event description. Enjoy complete complimentary buffet and get ready to meet your image. Okay, we'll fix that. Then the last one. Monday 13 December 24. Live music. Get you can group on with local heroes as produced Stockholm. Okay, so that's the events section. I always forget to move my head. Okay, so let's add the background. Okay, let's fix the padding issue. And say 40. Yo. Let's put 20 here. So this that's put left and right. Zero top, zero bottom. Yeah. So this is how the event section is looking like. Maybe we can add a bit of gap. Okay, so yeah, you're done with this section. On to the next one, which is the blog section, latest articles above. And if I did have that breaking down. Okay, cool. So we are done with that. Let's move on to the next section, which is our latest articles. I was working on the section, the event section, so I finished that. Then went on to the contacts, did the map and the footer. So right now I'm actually moving onto the tablet breakpoint. So I have to fix all this, and then I'll move on to the phone breakpoint. And then after I've finished with that, then I'll go on to the animations that were added by Tom on this the site. So yeah, I think we're moving, and hopefully by tomorrow around 7 o'clock in the evening we'll be done with everything. So yeah, let's go. Let's finish this. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go through all the other sections, and I'll end with the navigation part. Okay. I don't want to add the frame on that next. Okay, from farm to table to. Okay, need to align this to the center. Increase the font size. And this is semi-bold. Okay. Actually have to move it to the top. And this is 30. Okay, yeah, so the hero section is done. Now we move on to this part. With the relative 100%, and these cards, entering them in the grid. Okay, make the container relative. Okay, height, feed content. Hey guys, morning. So today is on the last day of completing this project. So yesterday before I slept, I had managed to complete the tablet view. So let me just zoom out here. Then you can see all the views. Okay, yeah. So this is where we are right now. So right now I'm actually going to start on the last breakpoint, which is the phone. And then from then on, I'll move on to the animations. And I also added like another card in this section here because I decided just to wrap the components instead of like having a space between and giving them the full width. So I just decided to wrap them, and I added another card. I've got 4 right now, and I'll also maybe for the review section I'll remove this 2, then add the animations part. So yeah, this is where we add still moving. I think I'll actually be able to finish this within my specified time frame, which is those 48 hours that I was talking about. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Alright, so I just finished working on the mobile breakpoint. This is it here. So on all this cards, like for the reviews and these ones here, I'm going to add like a sticky animation, and then I'll sort of like offset a card on the x-axis. Same goes for all. So I think all those cards are going to have that sticky animation. But yeah, we're almost done. So right now I'm going to move to work on the navigation bar. Going to move to the navigation bar. Once I'm done with the navigation bar, then I'll work on the animations, and then I'll just combine all the videos, and that'll be it. Yeah, cool. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're finally done with the build. We finished all the breakpoints. First one for the PC, 1440 pixels. Moved on to the dashboard, the desktop, sorry. Okay, I need to fix this. There's an issue here. And then I'll move to the tablet, and lastly the phone. So everything is in place. Let me just fix this navigation here. So the reason why I have this issue is I was trying to add an overlay here, like for the tablet and phone variants. So this is the reason why, but I have to fix that, change the structure back again. But anyway, that's not an issue. So I managed to finish the project within the time frame that I specified for myself, which is 48 hours. Although I had a couple of breaks. Right now it's 11 o'clock and we are done. I added a couple of animations. So for those review cards and for the tablet view, let me just open it. Okay, let me start from scratch here. So I have those animations for the review cards and also for the events cards. But I really like the mobile view, like the animation part of it. make everything just falls into place. Check this out. Okay, this looks slick, like on the mobile view. And for the events, I like that scroll animation and scroll transformation of the cards. So yeah, we're done with the board, done with the project. Only thing that I'm left with is just going to deploy it and be live. So I think yeah, you can actually build a homepage within 48 hours if you actually give yourself the time and sort of like allocate. Um, if you actually plan the project in detail and in terms of the build, if you have the design and all, but I don't think if I didn't have like the uh, design part figured out, I don't think I would have money to finish this project within 48 hours. But because I had something that I was sort of like copying from or redesigning or maybe grabbing some inspiration from, but I can't really say this is an inspiration since I just redid everything. So yeah, done with this boat. See you in the next one. Cheers.
Um, so right now I'm just switched to my framer, and I think this will be one of the last videos. And I'm just going to fix some of the issues that I experienced, like the navigation bar. As you can tell, right now I disabled the other options because I added a frame when I was doing the navigation style for the tablet and phone breakpoints. So I actually need to fix that right now. So I'm just going to open it and then see how best we can go about it. Okay, so let me just move to my desktop view here. Alright, I have a couple of logos. Search title. Okay. So it looks like everything, like the links that I had added earlier on, they're no longer visible. So let me just try and look at what happened. Oh, okay. I think I remember what I did. I think I deleted these links. So what I have to do is come into the nav container. This is the logo. Alright, so in the nav container I'm going to add a new frame. The frame I'm going to move it in here. Okay, and we're going to add the titles. So let's give it a height of fill. Okay, then we add our menu titles in here. Okay, so the first one, I think it's menu. Let's give it 20. Change the font. It's medium. Medium, yep. Then we align it to the center. And then we change add a layout to our frame. Align center, edit menu, remove this. and the height and the width should fit the content. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, copy menu, duplicate it a couple of times. So the second one would be about. Third one, events. Blog. Opening hours. And lastly, contact. Yep. Alright, so I just need to change this. Let me get the color from here. Okay, so let's change the colors of our nav links. Our nav links color. Let's remove the background from our frame. Let's rename it to nav links. Okay, and for the distribution, let's do a space between. Okay. Alright, so on the tablet view, we're going to disable them. Visible no, same as on the phone. Tablet open and phone open. Okay, so yeah, that issue has been fixed. Let's return back to our design and see where we're at. Okay, I think we are back on track right now. Okay, everything looks good. So yeah, I think we are done with the design. So let me just play it here, and then I'll also just add a framer domain. Then I'll show you how everything looks like. I actually need to fix this. Okay, check it out when I scroll here. So I was trying to replicate that animation that the green leaf logo appears when you're scrolling, but right now it's actually sliding out instead of sliding in when I start scrolling. But yeah, also I have to fix that. So this is the desktop view, and I also added this animation, the scroll animation on the review cards, and I also didn't change the email. Okay, so that's the desktop view, the tablet view. Okay, reload. Alright, so the tablet view. And I also added another card here because I felt like there was too much space for me just to like display each card. Maybe if I had used like a flex direction of column, there was too much space that the card was occupying. So I added a fourth card so that I can just wrap them up. So animation on the reviews, and also this scroll transform on this events card, and on the phone. Scroll up. I really like the mobile view of it though. Okay, scroll animation, the cards, scroll transformation. So yeah, that is it. That's the full design. So done. I'll also leave a link so that you have a great overview. You can test it out, see how it looks, and yeah, that is all for this one. Cheers, guys. Have a great one. Bye. Up the navigation, like linking the menu items with the sections, so that when you click on menu, it scrolls to the menu. When you click on about, it scrolls to the about section. So that's what we're going to do right now. So this is going to act as my about section. This card section. Yeah. Alright. And then we go to events. So events, come here. Yeah. Add the scroll section. We name it as events. Next one, it's blog. Okay, blog and events. I think okay, different. So blog section. Blog, and next one is opening hours, and lastly content. Okay, so here are opening hours. Okay, so our contact is our opening hours, and then our newsletter will be our content. Alright, so contact, no, I'm supposed to say opening hours here. Opening, let's just leave it at that. And then we go to so you can just say that okay, put a header and the scroll section, and then we'll say this is our content. Okay, so let's just scroll back to our navigation. So add a link, page home section, that's menu, new tab, no smooth, yeah, we want a smooth transition. And then about section, link, home, about, smooth, events. Okay, so I also managed to add like the overlay for our mobile responsiveness, and it's looking quite well. So I'll also show you that. Opening hours, smooth, smooth. Okay. And then lastly context. Text decoration. Let's edit this link here. Edit. Alright. Okay. So I wanted to open. Okay, so this is the variants for the opening and closing states of the tablet and mobile. And if I play the tablet here, this is how it looks like. Overlay, same goes for mobile. Alright, so we're done with that part. So go to site settings. Name it green leaf. Cafe. And then we go to domains, save it. Then you go to domains. Oh, publish. Okay, so we're done with the board. Everything let's add okay, the site is now live. Let's add our custom domain. Say greenleaf. And framer.ai. Okay. So yeah, we're done with the board. Site is now live, so you can test it out. This is the link. So because I'm actually like recording this guide tab, even if I open it, you won't be able to see it. So there's the link. You can test it out and give me your feedback on the design. And I mentioned like the characters thing on the typeface. So if you know how best I can fix that, maybe you can possibly help me out. So yeah, that was it for this one. Cheers. Bye.